Welcome back to Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2019 Blade Show. I'm here with David Rainerson with Warthog Knife Sharpeners, which is a fitting name because these things are made in South Africa.
Correct.
I get a lot of comments from people who want to know about how to sharpen their knife. Dave gave me a quick run through. I was so impressed I thought I would give you a quick run through.
Okay, I'll run through it really quick. We use spring-loaded diamonds to sharpen it. All of our, we have a diamond on this side and a butcher steel on this side. We sharpen it on the diamond, you put a razor edge with the butcher steel. It's a simple setting. You can set it at 3 different angles. You set it at 20, 25, or 30 degrees. Most knives, kitchen knives, hunt knives, 25 degrees. You set it here, and you pop it in there. You got to do both sides because you're sharpening both sides at once. So, put it here. So, the angle is set. The pressure is already set from the factory. You do have another setting, that's for the thickness of your blade. Just put your knife there. You bring your blade guide up to your knife, and you tighten that thumb screw. That sets it in the center of the diamonds. After that, it's just a slicing motion. Sharpen both sides at one time. It will not roll that point. I've sharpened for 1 year on here, and it's still a needle point. That's all you got to do to sharpen a knife. You get a ding in your blade, you work your ding out. You're grinding it, but you're grinding it by hand. So that's all you have to do to sharpen a knife. Anybody can do it.
And just so you don't think this is his trick knife, I've been carrying this thing for a while, and it was reasonably sharp, but it's like, wow. I'll set my mic down, hopefully. It's a whole nother level of sharp now.
That good enough?
That's pretty stinging sharp. And I've got a bare spot on my arm from the redneck sharp test already, so we'll do it again just for you. You can see that thing's like, man. So, my kids tell me, Dad, you're not going to have hairy arms. But, so hopefully, maybe we take a little closer look at some of the stuff on the channel, but there's a lot of knife sharpeners out here at Blade Show. I've seen a lot of really complicated, complex stuff, and all this may look at first sight kind of complicated because of the way it's set up. It's really so simple, it's unbelievable. Just pop those little stones in there and slide your knife through.
We've been in business made 21 years, all in South Africa. Now we're distributing stores all over the United States and Canada, and we have about 600 dealers.
Wow! So, Warthog, what you got a website?
Warthog USA, www.warthogusa.com.
Warthog USA, and you'll be able to find a dealer on there, right?
Yes.
So,
or give us a call or shoot us an email.
Okay, cool. So, I thought instead of looking at knives, we'd look at a way to keep them sharp, because you got a knife, you want to keep it sharp, right? So, David, thanks so much for taking a minute and showing us this cool product. Thank you for watching Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2019 Blade Show. Remember, my name's Brian. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. Keep a knife sharp. See you next time.